Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E550 Coupe. This one is black. Underneath it is a 4.7 twin-turbo V8 with 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille. Also comes with the sports package with a sports exterior and an interior, 18-inch AMG wheels, adaptive high beam assist, black leather interior with a black wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, E550 badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down your seats. Premium 2 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, rear view backup camera, garage door openers, hard keys for the radio, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, multi-contour seats, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This E-Class has 42,006 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E550 Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.